Most people don't know about this fly because of the one secret it holds. To tie it, we will grab some white Vivas thread, this is in 12/0, and secure that to a Euro hook, snap the excess free, wrap back towards the head of our fly, and grab this blue squirmy worm material. Now you've seen this fly before, but this material has a secret that I will show you at the end of the video. Secure the squirmy worm to the head of the fly. Do this by taking some loose wraps to begin with and wrapping tighter and tighter as you go. Once secure, pull the squirmy worm material to the side and snip free. We will then whip finish to hold everything in place for our next step. Snip the thread free and grab a tungsten bead. We will insert this Euro bead backwards with the slotted end facing forward and slide it up to the head of our fly. This provides a slot for the silicone worm to sit in line with the hook shank. Measure out another piece of the squirmy worm to match the head of the fly and tie that onto the back of our hook shank. Secure, snip free, and create a nice smooth transition towards the head of our fly. We will then grab more squirmy worm material and attach this to the back of our fly. Secure it tightly, snip the excess free, and once again we will create a smooth transition to the head of our fly. We can begin wrapping the squirmy worm material forward to the head of our fly. Do this by taking loose wraps forward, using your finger to hold it in place. If the wraps are too tight, a single fish's tooth will destroy this body in no time. But if you take loose wraps, it will withstand a few more. Once at the head of the fly, we will secure, taking wraps both in front as well as behind our squirmy worm material, and snip free. Whip finish to secure everything in place, seat the knot tightly, and snip it free. The squirmy worm is a highly successful fly pattern that has proven itself over the years. Best fish in high waters after a rainfall event. This tungsten bead will help you sink down there and get noticed because of its one little secret. It glows in the dark, helping it stand out in these turbid waters. If you want to try this fly out for yourself but don't tie, you can visit my website and submit a custom order. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.